Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on profile information on content on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. Just go up here, you will click here on this picture, then it's going to show for you a window like this. And you just click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just switch into show for you like this. You click here on visibility here, then you come to this window and you go down here, then you come here to representing your organization and interests, then you come to the next window here, you come here to profile information on content, you will click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's my profile information on content, it's turned on now. I wish now you I gave it, that's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.